Welcome to the cutest site on the block video tutorials. This tutorial will cover how to add a product to your shopping cart. So go ahead and go to your Joomla administration, log in, go to your shopping cart administration, components, Virtumart, and then we're going to go to the product list. Now you'll see a list of all our products. You can filter it by category, but it'll give all the general information for your products. To add a new product, we're going to go here real quick and show you the front end of the products. Once we go into a category, we see a product that has been entered, the floral hot pink and black, and the product's individual page. So we're going to add a new product by clicking new. And here's your product creation page. You see all your tabs along the top. You want to make sure you go through and fill these out. And very important that you enter a SKU. In the product information tab, enter the name. URL is optional if you want to direct it to a supplier's website or product fly page. You then select the category, which you want to make sure to do or it won't show up in your front end. Enter the net product price, so that's net before taxes. You can then enter a short description, which will be shown on the categories page where it's listing all the products in that specific category. So you just want this to be real short. Then the product description can be as long as you want. And you can format the text using the text editor and insert any images or anything you would like there. We're just going to enter a reasonable size of product description. Display options. You could change how the quantity box displays itself, whether it's they type in the quantity box. There's no quantity box shown, so they only purchase one. Use a drop down. Once you choose that, you can go to the product status tab where you can enter the amount of product in stock. And in your configuration, you want to make sure that stock is shown to yes if you want to keep stock. Just read through all these are pretty self-explanatory. Now the on special button, that'll mean that it's going to show on your home page. So checking that is how you show it on your home page. Now the attribute list, if you want to sell red, green, black, and you want them to choose it, that's where you put it. We'll go over that in another tutorial. Product dimensions and weight, this is all for the shipping module. Now the shipping module we set up doesn't need that. That's more for if you're doing something custom with UPS or something. Picture tab, we're going to go ahead and select a picture. Make sure that auto create thumbnail is on and click save. We're then done configuring our product. So it'll take us to an overview page of the product we just entered. Go back to the product list and we'll be able to see that it's entered into our product list, what the SKU is, the price, the category that it's in, and that it is published. Let's go to our front end here. And we notice that it's now added to the category that we put it in, with showing the short description. And when we go in there, it shows the long description, and it's available for purchase. It'll automatically create the small thumbnail when you click the auto create, and you'll be able to see that when you click on the image, it blows it up into and shows the larger original version. This is using the publish column. You can turn it off. Clone product. If you have the same type of product but just a few things change, you can clone a product. It'll open up the new product window but with all the attributes you had in that product, so you can then change it and click save, so you don't have to do the same thing over and over. helps create a little bit of a shortcut. And that's the basics on how to add a product into your Virtumart shopping cart.